If all we're doing is looking at how far short we are, that's the mindset that sets in, versus, wow, look how far I've come. Who is going to have that enthusiasm? The person who celebrates how far they've come and then focuses on just the next step, or the person standing looking at the top of the mountain thinking, oh my God, how far away that is. And then as a result, who is actually going to close that gap? And if you are that one who's constantly going, oh, I'm not as good as them, and not taking action, then more people are overtaking, and more and more and more. And if all you're doing is focusing on them and how far behind you are, you're just going to end up always being the person behind. Flip it around, focus on the gain, realize how far you've come, get that sense of achievement, build that confidence, more motivation, more achievement. You're either in an upward spiral or a downward spiral.